we are still going to activate these countertop lights with the Z-Wave sensor right there. So when you walk through here, that will activate these countertop lights, and we'll get brighter lights. These are the LED strip lights. We're going to get some brighter lights now, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we're at the kitchen counter now. We're going to be removing these old strip lights here. And here's the kit that we got. I've got several of these kits. Each kit comes with, I believe, 3 of these. Yeah, 3 of these LED strips. And you've got the power brick here. And you can connect this in the middle before the lights, and this is a dimmer, rotating dimmer switch. I don't know if I'm going to put this on. I could add this later, because my whole issue here is I want to have this very, very bright on the countertop. Right now the LED light strips, they don't get as bright as I wish they did. So we're going to be removing those, put these light strips up. We'll see a big difference. They've got some extra cords in here too if you have to span these for a longer distance. Attaching straps, 3M sticky tape, some more attaching components, and you get a pack of screws that will attach these plastic brackets. I think I'm going to try to use these as much as I can to have these snap into the brackets here. So let's get started with the removal first. Okay, now we've got to attach our cord, and we're going to run it back down through here like we did the last time. Let's go up top here. And remember, I attach it to this Z-Wave switch so that we can operate it with our smart home and through Alexa devices. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug the old one. Old LED strips here. Alright. Now let's just make sure we've got the power here. Oh yeah, look at this. Nice and bright. This is what I was going for. This was the look that I was originally going for, but the LED strips weren't bright enough. So let's get this mounted now. There. Easy as that. Nice. Let me show you what I'm doing here. So we've got it, second light plugged in, 2 together. Let's see how bright this is gonna be. So that's on a double cabinet. I've got 2 lights underneath there. Now the one light is gonna be kind of covered up by this automatic paper towel dispenser, but we'll put another one here and then 2 more there. And then we're gonna put 1 or 2 over there. Stay tuned. Now when you get to the end of the line here, you're gonna have a cord, exposed cord like this. They give you this little cap. That way it's protected, and then you just anchor it up. Okay, now moving on to the other side. Now I've got one of my second kits open, so I've got another charging brick right here, since that's gonna be separate over on this side of the kitchen. I've already removed a small section, and I'm just gonna install one of these. Since I saw how bright they are, one of these will do just fine underneath there. So let's get this one plugged in. Just drop that right down there. We got power here, and we do. So now we'll just mount the 2 anchors. We'll be all set. Now these are the anchors right here, right there, and another one right here. And this light strip goes up in there and snaps in there. One side, the other side, just like that. Now we just have to tuck our cords in, and then we'll take a look at this and review this product. Echo, turn on the countertop lights. Countertop lights. Now we've got bright light. This is what I pictured that I would have when I did this the first time around with the LED strips. This is what the look I was going for. So if you're chopping or something on the countertop, you've got nice clear view of everything on that countertop. And then of course we kept the Z-Wave motion sensor down here, so if you walk behind here they automatically will come on. And at night I still have the colored LEDs up top, so those are still going, they're still gonna stay up there. They're doing good. I do like the colored accent. I just wanted bright light underneath there. So guys, what'd you think about those lights? I'll tell you what, one thing, they were a whole lot easier to install. It took a lot less time than the rolled out LED strips that I put up there originally, where you have to stick them to the underside of the cabinet. I like these screw-in brackets where you just snap a whole foot of light in. Here's what the kit looks like. You'll get a pack of 3 strips, your power cord, lots of attachments to attach cords, whatever, with 3M adhesive. You also get this dimmer switch. I didn't use the dimmer switch in my setup. So here's some instructions. It was so simple I didn't even need the instructions. So anybody can do it. I like the nice bright light. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by again today, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do.
Now we've got bright light